Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Car Dealership Tycoon on Roblox for the PS4 and PS5 versions of the game. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the search bar on the top right. Make sure you're underneath experiences and not people. Go ahead and type in car dealership Tycoon right here. Go ahead and hit X on your controller to play the game. Now, once you are logging in, it's pretty straightforward from here. You just go ahead and click play. You can choose your Tycoon. Go ahead and hit load. And if it doesn't let you, if you try to click X and it doesn't let you play, all you have to do is basically just press the tab button on your controller, and then you can hit play. And then yeah, you should be good to go. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.